Well, again, it is concerning in respect of X's decision not to attend before the Oireachtas Committee. But as you know, the European Commission has already announced an investigation is underway in respect of Grok and the generation of child abuse images and other illegal material. And Commissioner Mann here is working with the European Commission, which has responsibility for very large platforms in that respect, and other member states are also, and on Garda Síochána are also examining the situation. So the enforcement side of this and the protection of people will be our priority, and we're going to continue on that front. In terms of protecting underage, we took significant action last year in terms of bringing pouches into primary schools. I recall it being criticised at the time, but it has stood the test of time, and it's an effective measure. In addition to that, age verification has been worked on by Minister Donovan, and he's already indicated that. And we will keep everything under review in respect of protecting children from the harms that undoubtedly emerge from social media.